Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. In this video we will learn how we can deposit euros on the COINZIX platform. In order to deposit euros, you need to have your account already verified. Verification can be done here. If you haven't done it, we have a special tutorial for that. If you have your account verified, we can go to the balance button. Here we search for euro currency and click on deposit. A box will open and here we will have to enter the amount we want to deposit. 50 euros in this case. Here we get all the details we need to enter in the bank transfer. We have the amount, IBAN, bank address, bank name, customer name, and very important down here we have a code that we have to write in the description of the bank transfer. If somehow you clicked OK and you didn't get to fill in all the details, we go to the history. Here we click on details and we can see again all the details about the transfer. Also, if you change your mind and no longer want to make this transfer, here is a cancel button. You can click on it and the transfer will be cancelled. We hope this tutorial was useful, and in the next video we will discuss a bit about how to withdraw euros from COINZIX.